Booyah! 3.5-inch leveling kit. These stock control arms look like they're stamped steel till you flip them over, and there are plastic inserts in them. Rough Country does a good job of replacing these with some nice aluminum ones. You can throw these ones right in the garbage. Just look at this little beauty. Forged aluminum, and then where the ball joint sits, it sits at a little different angle to allow for the steeper angle of the control arm. So you got full articulation of the ball joint. Longer shocks and coil spacers for the rear. I discovered a little flaw in the wheel well over here. Whoa! Oh, that's how they work. Jeez, there's got to be a good 15 pounds of dirt in there. You could plant a tree.